Chris Forsberg. First of all, how? How do you have this car? Second of all, why did you all over it? You know, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Maybe it's like the contrast between the colors. They're just like, they're the colors. So they're like, oh, too muted or something. Normally it's like, oh, colors. This is like, colors. Why colors? It's like, no. Maybe the black can be turned into white or gray or just completely disappear. Think about puncturing the tires of this car if I ever see it. You know, it's just a bit too simple, and the designs really don't bring out the shape of the car. So, shallow waters.